Hello friends, good morning. This is Trinath, English teacher. Today I am going to explain some phrases used to and would. These two always confuse us. So I want to make it clear how to use used to, where to use used to and where to use would. So actually used to and would, we are using these two verbs in the fast actions. For the fast actions we use. So and fast habits also. These two verbs, used to and would. Fast actions, not now. These things, the works would not done in the present also. So in that case we use used to. సో మనము ఒక పనిని గతంలో చేస్తున్నాము, మన హ్యాబిట్స్ ఏవైనా ఉంటాయి, అలాంటి వాటిలో ఈ యూజ్ టు వుడ్ వాడతాం. కానీ ఇవి ఎప్పుడు ఎక్కడ ఎలా వాడాలో అన్నది క్లియర్గా ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఆల్ ద థింగ్స్. సో యూజ్ టు ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్లీ ఫర్ స్టేటివ్ వెర్బ్స్. స్టేటివ్ వెర్బ్స్, సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద స్టేటివ్ వెర్బ్స్ అంటే రిమెంబర్, ఫీల్, లవ్, అపియర్, హేట్, ఫర్గెట్, అండర్స్టాండ్, బిలాంగ్, నోన్, లైక్, వాంట్, విష్, need, etc. These kinds of verbs are called stative verbs. Action verbs, sit, stand, play, eat, all these are the action verbs. So clear, no? So we can use word with action verbs when time mentioned. In the case of used to, time is not necessary to mention. Time is not necessary to mention. So examples, I used to love eating ice creams in my childhood. So it means I did not eat ice creams present. And then it can be expressed in negatives also. She did not use to understand maths problems, but she is good at mathematics. So in the childhood, in 10th class or sometime, when she was studying 10th class, she could not do maths problems, but she could do well in present. See, this is the negative also we can say. She is used to be a teacher. It means once upon a time she was teacher, but she is not the teacher at present. That is the meaning. Used to, clear. And coming to the word, here is a time to be mentioned. So for examples, and then for example, she would often forget students' names. So here is so forget is stative verb, but stative verb would not for the stative verb. But when we say with the frequency of verbs like often, sometimes, and often, sometimes, usually, so etc. Frequency of the time. So then we can use, say for example, she would often forget. So often is frequency of adverb. So forget is stative verb. So here in this case we can use. So she would often forget students' names. I would sometimes see her near our house. Sometimes, often, usually. These verbs are adverbs. These adverbs followed by stative verb. Followed by stative verbs. So that, and another way, for action verbs we can use when we say the time. I would sit in the beach every evening when I was in Vizag. So when I was in Vizag, so here is, I am not living in Vizag at present. So when I was living in Vizag, I went to beach, I sat on the beach. This is the fast habits. So likewise we can use word, used to word. Clear? Any doubt is that? No. మీకు ఏమైనా అనుమానం ఉంటే చెప్పండి, పర్వాలేదు. ఓకే, మీ కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో చెప్పచ్చు. సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే మనకి స్టాటిక్ వెర్బ్స్ అయితేనే యూజ్డ్ టు వాడాలి. ఇక్కడ టైం మెన్షన్ అవసరం లేదు. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినప్పుడు యాక్షన్ వెర్బ్స్ కి వాటి టైం మెన్షన్ చేయాలి యాక్షన్ వెర్బ్ లో. కానీ సమ్ టైమ్స్ ఏమవుతుందంటే యూజువల్లీ, ఆఫెన్, సమ్ టైమ్స్, ఎట్సెట్రా ఎట్సెట్రా ఇన్ ద adverb cases we use would with stative verbs. Thank you for watching my channel.